Next is stupid. I don't think many people are actually too stupid to be rich. You can be below average IQ and still get very rich. A very small percentage of people are too dumb to be rich. Because if you rely on the government for food stamps, then you can't argue with the government, can you? So anyone who believes in the Matrix and believes in media and believes in the lies they're told, anyone who sits there and goes, that's true, that it's literally designed to make you broke. You do your GCSEs, do your A-levels, get in debt, go to uni, get out, get a shit job, get a mortgage. Don't worry, when you've paid that mortgage off when you're 61, then you'll have enough money to go to Spain for holiday. Then your pension comes. Oh, government doesn't have the pension money anymore. They don't want you rich. If you're rich, you won't listen to them. Because anyone who follows the rules doesn't get shit. Very small percent are too stupid. But the majority, the main reason most people are broke is because they are arrogant. They have these egos from fuck knows where because they didn't earn it. And they're just too arrogant to listen to anybody. They're like, oh, Mr. Elon, richest man in the world. But some people are so brutally arrogant that they'll sit here and they'll sit there and go, yeah, but you know what? They're arrogant. The way I like to work, the way you like to work is why you're fucking broke. I think that know when you're out qualified and accept it and learn. So I'd say 20% of people are lazy, 20 to 25%. But 70% of people are brutally arrogant, and this is why they are poor.